Hey everyone, in today's video, I will be showing guys some ways to, or the main way to install the HDO box to Firestick. So the first step is to simply prepare the Firestick to download HDO box. Because HDO box is a third-party app not hosted on the Amazon App Store, and for this reason, you will need to download and install and download it to side load the HDO box app on your Firestick. So the second part is to simply installing HDO box on Firestick, and it only takes a simple moves and scroll two apps on your Fire TV home screen and click on it. As you can see in this video, in this picture that they've uploaded, it will be the icon of this type that they have highlighted with the red circle. Simply click on tap on downloader from the app choices such as this, and then on the home tab click on the search bar, simply search for the term and then enter the URL of hdo.app/tv and click go. Just below it the button go, and after doing that wait for the app to finish downloading and then click install. When it is downloading, the status will be shown, so please don't click on cancel. Then simply click on install. They will ask you, and then simply click on done. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you want to delete the download apk file, you can delete it, but select delete again to confirm delete. So yeah, I don't recommend to what you want to say, delete the apk file, because it can make some issues in the HDO box not functioning properly. So my advice is to keep the APK, but if you want to delete it, you can. So yeah, thanks for watching this until the end. This is how you can easily add a HDO box application to Fire Stick. So thanks for watching this until the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.